Good morning, students. In MS Word, some formatting functions already we have learned. Today we will learn some more functions. So first of all, we will learn how to apply bullets and numbering on the text. Suppose we have written this text on the screen and we want to set the bullets and numbering on it. So first of all, before applying any formatting on the text, we have to select the text. Yes, and then we will click on bullets from here and we will choose which type of bullets shapes we need. We will select that one. You can see where my pointer going on, that type of bullets coming in front of the text. So suppose we want to apply this type of bullets numbering. It will be applied on the text. If you want to remove it, we will go again there on bullets and we will click on none option. It will be removed from here. And if you want to apply numbering, so again we have to select the text firstly, then we will go on numbering. From here we can choose which type of numbering we want to apply, like 1 2 3 ABC, okay, which we want. We will select that one. It will applied on our text. If you want to remove, same procedure here. We will go on it and we will click on none option. It will be removed from here. Okay, now we will learn use of undo and redo command. Undo is used to cancel a command given earlier. Means whatever command we have given earlier, it will be cancelled. You can see from here we will click on undo option, and one shortcut key for undo, Ctrl+Z. And redo option is reverse of undo. If you will click on redo option, it will be reverse. Okay, now we will learn how to check the spelling and grammar. You can see here, not any lines, not any green line, not any red line. Yes, it means all spellings are right and no any grammatical mistake. If any grammatical mistake is there, it means green underline wave will come. Okay, suppose if I will write here green is, and if I will press here enter key, you can see here green waves. Yes, means here grammatical mistake. I have given 2 times space. If I will remove from here this space, you can see this line also removed. And if I will do any grammatical mistake there, suppose in yellow spelling I will do here mistake, so red underline will come. You can see red underline. Yes, and if you want to remove the any spelling mistake, then we will use spelling grammar option. Where from it we will use, we will click on review option, review tab, and then we will go here ABC spelling and grammar, and F7 is shortcut key, functional key F7 you can press. Then spelling and grammar dialog box will appear in front of us, and wrong spelling you can see here, this is not correct, and in suggestion you can select from here which you need, yellow spelling, and then you will click on change option. And if in your page so many places yellow spelling have you written, so you can click change all, so in complete page it will be changed at a one time. Okay, so we will change from here, it will be changed. You can see here not any grammatical mistake and not any spelling mistake. Okay, thank you.